So you would not have child arrangements in a financial consent order. You would have two different orders for the child arrangements and for the finances. Children consent orders are completely different to financial consent orders. The whole premise behind a financial consent order is that you should be able to separate your assets, have a clean break as much as possible, and be able to move on with your life. But that doesn't really happen with children because things change all the time. People want to move, and I had a case like this where the mum wanted to move, and it wasn't that far away, but it was far enough away such that that week on, week off would not work for the children. And there had been difficulties because of the relationship between the parties in terms of co-parenting. So in that case, the mother had to make an application to court to say, I would like to move away. I understand that this will mean that the father will have slightly less contact, but I'd like to make it different contact. So instead of week on, week off, we can have more of the holidays. So as long as you are presenting a good case which would compensate in a way, then you can vary child arrangements. But the whole point about child arrangements is that they're not set in stone because things change. Whereas we don't like to look at change in financial orders because you're not going to be able to move on with your life if you're constantly looking over your shoulder thinking, well, the judge could change that at any moment.